Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for another paper perk. We are at paper perk number 29, and today I have these for you. These two are going to be two little mini books, adorable mini books. We're going to make them. This is for the freebie Facebook group. You can go ahead to the group, Paper Perk's Facebook group, and download it there. And if you're not on Facebook, then you can go to Ko-fi. And in the Ko-fi shop, you will have sets of 4 of all the Paper Perks. And for our supporters on Ko-fi, we get an extra page with another book, another color, and a little bit of embellishments to go in the book or on the cover. These are really pretty faces of, vintage photos that really go well with this color scheme, and also 2 of these photo mats with a little tape on them, and like on this one, some more of the oval frames or mats. So this is for the supporters. Again, you go to Ko-fi to download it there. There is a link in the description under the video. So I'm going to cut this and be back to show you how to make it. Okay, so I'm back. These are the covers and these are the pages. So how are we going to do this? Very simple. We're going to fold this in half, and then fold this in half again, each side. You know what? Let me work on something with more contrast so you will see, because these colors are very light. So as I said, we folded this in half, and then we folded the edge in half again, and the other one in half as well. And then again, we're going to fold this in half, this in half, and these edges here also, going to align this fold with this fold and basically fold this in half again. And this is how we create our pages of this tiny, tiny book. So now we have a concertina. This is the wrong side because we want let's fold this also. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the directions of the folds. So now it is on the right side. Why? Because now the color is facing up, and this is what we want. So we want this side to put glue, this side to put glue, and then sandwich them in between the cover. Okay? But before we do that, I want to ink everything. So we'll have more dimension and more definition to everything. So basically, you don't need to see me do all that. So I'll ink everything and be back. Okay, so now I've inked everything. We're going to apply glue on the bottom of the first, call it flap or page or side. And then on the other bottom, the other edge or side or flap, please make sure that the folds are facing up. And then we're going to close the cover on the book. And now we have, isn't that is so cute. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to, which is kind of important, I forgot to glue the pages together. We'll do this in the next book. So we are supposed to glue the pages together. Okay, like this. And if this bothers you, you can ink it more. So this is one adorable book. Let's make the other one. So again, folding. I don't bother with the direction of the folds at this point because I can always reverse them later like I did before, so that's okay. So we're going to fold this in half. Fold this in half. And then the other pages. So now I'm going to make sure that everything is in the right direction. And then I'll ink everything and show you how I'm decorating them. Okay, so this time I ink the inside as well as the outside of the cover. I don't push a lot when I fold the cover. And now we will not forget to glue the pages together. So basically I have these triangles, so I'm gluing them like this. So, oops. So I'll have the book pages. Which is what I forgot to do on the first one. But that's okay, we fixed it. So now again, we put glue on the bottom of one edge or one side, the first page and then the last page. And then we put it inside the cover. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? This is so cute. So now, let's see what we can do with the embellishment. So I cut a few of the added embellishment in the extra page for the Ko-fi supporters and the one that comes with the pages. This one was with a page, and these two from the extra page. So we can just put one on the cover. Look at that, isn't that pretty? This is so adorable. Actually, the ovals on the extra page are slightly bigger, so you can cut that. And you can use whatever embellishments that you have. Notice that when I do fussy cutting, I turn the page instead of the scissors. I move the page with my left hand. Okay. So now it can be a mat for this lady here. And we can put this here, and then if we want, we can use some foam tape. Don't have to, but just if we want to, for extra dimension. And then we can add her. Then you can add little flowers or whatever you want. And these are so cute. I just love them. Look at that. Another really fun thing that we can do if we want is to have, if you have smaller ink pads, for example, I have smaller ones, so then you can take the edge and just do like this, and it looks like rose. Isn't that cute? Like on a book. So that is really cool. Can do this on this one too. If you don't have an ink pad like this, then you can draw it with a marker or a pencil. And another important thing to know is when you print these, please print them on a regular printer paper. We want the paper to be very thin when we print this because we want to be able to have enough room for the pages inside the cover. We don't want it to be too thick, and we want to be able to tuck this in pockets or whatever we want. So we need to not have this too thick. So we don't want the paper to be like cardstock or a thicker paper. So I just printed them on a regular 80 grams printer paper. Just the plain papers. And then you have enough room. You see, you can still insert things in it. You can add a little ribbon to tie them. And I really hope you like these little mini books. Thank you very much for joining me. Go ahead to the Facebook group to download the printable, or to Ko-fi if you want the extra paper. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.